आज़ादी की इस वर्षगांठ पर बहुत कुछ बदला है, बहुत कुछ नया है। भारत एक नई तस्वीर के साथ दुनिया के सामने आया है। भारत उस जगह खड़ा है जहां भारत सिर्फ भारत नहीं है, भारत सिर्फ एक देश नहीं है, एक विश्व गुरु के तौर पर स्थापित हो चुका है इस पटल पर। सिनेमा का योगदान, आप कह सकते हैं कि सिनेमा हमारे समाज की आत्मा रहा है। न सिर्फ हमने सिनेमा को समझा है, देखा है, समाज सिनेमा में दिखाई दिया है और सिनेमा समाज में भी दिखाई दिया है। ऐसे में सिनेमा की 100 सालों की यात्रा को एक साथ एक जगह पे लाना, समझना और समझाना कितना बड़ा चुनौती का काम है। इसके लिए हमारे साथ है नेविल तुली। वो आपको बताएंगे जो दशकों से इस दिशा में लगातार काम कर रहे हैं, क्या है उनके नए इनिशिएटिव्स इसको लेकर के, वो भी हम जानने और समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, जिन्होंने मुझे लगता है लगभग अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी इस सिनेमा को, सिनेमा की यादों को, सिनेमा के बारे में हर बारीकी को संजोने में बिताई है। नेविल, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज तक के इस मंच पर, और इट्स सो वंडरफुल टू सी यू एंड आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग।
शुक्रिया।
ओशियान फिल्म फेस्टिवल के बाद अब से ये जो एक बहुत लंबी यात्रा आपने
बदल चुकी है, दुनिया बदल चुकी है, दाढ़ी आ गई है, बुढ़ापा आ गया है, लेकिन
नेविल ने दाढ़ी सफेद रखी है, यहाँ सिनेमा का असर नहीं दिखा है।
लेकिन लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं दादा साहेब फाल्के के साथ, और राजा हरीशचंद्र। ये वो पहले फोटोग्राफ्स हैं जो हमारी फर्स्ट फीचर लेंथ सिनेमा फिल्म थे, और इसके साथ इन व्यक्ति ने जो इंस्पिरेशन दिया देश को। बट बिफोर सिनेमा हम भूल जाते हैं कि थिएटर हमारे देश में ब्रिटिश लोगों ने लाए थे इन अ डिफरेंट फॉर्म, एंड द पारसी थिएटर had a great impact, had a great kind of energy on the nature of how cinema started. And then you have so many things as you move. साइलेंट सिनेमा में जो जेस्चर की औकात थी, खाली अपने चेहरे को दिखा के, थोड़े से भाव दिखा के, और ये है लाइट ऑफ एशिया। लाइट ऑफ एशिया एक ऐसी फिल्म थी जो हैज अ ह्यूज हिस्ट्री, बिकॉज द लाइफ ऑफ बुद्धा एंड बुद्धिज्म वो ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण था फॉर द वेस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड द ईस्ट.
And that was very important at that time,
in
because
the
that
1840s,
was exactly formative years of Indian cinema also.
No, before cinema, for जब imperial power बन रहे थे, वो सोचते थे कि इंडिया क्या है, इंडिया का सोचने का विचार क्या है.
Very new notion.
तो Buddhism attracted more to their mindset than Hinduism, because Buddhism had a certain rationalist logic. If you see an image like this, ये हिमांशु राय की लाइट ऑफ एशिया है 1925, और ये इमेज आप देखो, दिस इज बुद्धा एज सन्नाथ इन द फिल्म, विच इज ऑल्सो लाइक क्राइस्ट ऑन द माउंट. सो फॉर द वेस्ट दिस इज हाउ द फर्स्ट इंडो-जर्मन प्रोडक्शन, एंड द फर्स्ट टाइम द वेस्ट was trying to understand India, and we were trying to collaborate.
So that window which actually was provided was comparatively, it was easier and relatable for them.
Absolutely.
Yes.
और ये आप यहाँ जाइए, और ये जो हमारे सिल्वर जेलेटिन प्रिंट्स है, वो सीन है आलम आरा का पहला फिल्म जो टॉकीज में था. 1931. जरीना, ये देखो एक नौजवान ललिता पवार. ललिता पवार जब वो लड़की थी, एंट्रेंस सिनेमा.
ललिता पवार सिर्फ गुस्से के लिए और वैम्प के किरदारों में नहीं जानी जाती थी. दैट वाज द ग्रेट ललिता पवार. आई थिंक वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट एक्ट्रेस वी हैड ऑफ द टाइम. सो दिस इज लाइक द फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा.
The first Indian film that went to an international film festival at Venice. The great director at Imperial, R.S. Chaudhary. Fearless Nadia. The first, she was an Australian-Hungarian kind of woman who took on the role of a Zorro-like figure.
That was also the time, Neville, when there were different kind of revolutions, social revolutions, and also understanding image of women in Indian culture, Indian context.
Absolutely.
And cinema के ऊपर ये बहुत responsibility थी.
There was a huge responsibility. If you see this one here, this is IPTA's first film, Dalti Ke Lal.
Yes.
And IPTA, Indian People's Theatre Association, was the greatest single organization
And has
that
played
took
a
culture to
major
the
role.
people on the street, to the peasants, to the farmers, to the working. And then you turn around and you see the great aesthetics of Uday Shankar and Kalpana, one of the first great ballet kind of films, one of India's greatest dancers, choreographers. And then underneath it, the first great blockbuster epic
Yes.
after Kismet was Chandralekha.
Chandralekha.
And the
Absolutely.
big scenes and the tamasha, which became
The
part of
grandeur.
our life.
अभी हम लोग संजय लीला भंसाली की फिल्मों में जो बातें करते हैं आज खड़े होकर, वो चंद्रलेखा के वक्त पर जो है अलग तरीके से दिखा दिया गया था, डिफाइन कर
So
दिया
we
गया
move
था.
from the silent era, the black and white. Remember,
The
these are
first
art
era
objects.
जो आपने समझा.
Now we come to Prithviraj Kapoor and the
Yes.
first family of Indian cinema.
The
Whatever we
Kapoors,
say,
the Kapoors.
the only family in world cinema that virtually is on its 5th generation.
Absolutely.
And here was a man, a pioneer on many levels, a titan of a man full of energy, vigor, principle. He fought, if you see here his theatre, what Prithvi Theatres did before partition.
Exactly.
If you see this,
And they're carrying on the legacy, I mean, with so much of vigor.
absolutely. If you see this, there are many theatre original brochures of Diwar, Pathan, Ahuti,
Devdas.
Devdas we come to in a minute,
Yes.
but Prithviraj Kapoor and then his 3 great sons, Raj, Shami and Shashi, and their legacy is what we focus on. Let's move
कपूर
forward.
फैमिली की जो कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा नेवल सिनेमा पार्टीशन से पहले भी और बाद में भी, मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत गजब का रहा है.
Absolutely.
Till-
There's nothing to compare to that.
Yes,
Each
yes.
one of them brought something unique.
Exactly.
And each of them gave themselves totally. It's a surrender to that world.
Absolutely.
And it's a unique family. And if you see this side is a very antithesis of that vigor. And here was no novel has been इतने मूवी एक नॉवल के ऊपर कभी बने नहीं है दुनिया में. 17 versions of Devdas.
Devdas, exactly.
From the P.C. Barwa's first version in
Yes.
35 and here Sehgal in the Hindi version after the Bengali. And I asked all the students, hundreds of students come in here, who is this gentleman? And most of them, not most of them, 99% have forgotten. Probably one of the most famous human beings in India during the 1930s and 40s when the radio, when music had started. The voice of Sehgal defined a whole era
Exactly.
of India.
A
And
magic.
how quickly we have forgotten.
Yes.
You know, and then obviously they've Dilip Kumar, Bimal Roy's, Devdas.
People are connecting more to Shah Rukh Khan's
Well,
Devdas.
that's also there. It's part of the legacy. Here is another version.
Another version.
Anurag Kashyap's version of Devdas in Devdi,
Yes.
which we have shown at Cinefan in that
Exactly.
sense. And then
Yes.
there's a section which focuses on the great Art Deco cinemas of India. Because Art Deco was brought into India through its cinemas of Bombay. Whether it was Regal, Eros, Metro, New Empire. So here we give, look, all of these things are about to become totally free online.
जब
The
आप
whole knowledge
बिल्कुल
base.
और जब आप कला को लेकर के आए हैं थिएटर के साथ और जाहिर तौर पे लोगों को खींचने के लिए उनकी रुचि उनका आकर्षण थिएटर और सिनेमा में बढ़ाने के लिए ये एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर था जिसने काम किया. नेवल अगर हम पार्टीशन के बात की या फिर ऑलमोस्ट उस एरा की बात करें.
Here we are just
Here we
after
are.
partition.
Exactly.
And here's
ये
one of the greatest
बहुत बड़ा-
personalities of Indian cinema,
Exactly.
Kamal Roy.
Kamal
And
Roy.
he hasn't been given his full great due.
बिल्कुल.
Mahal is one of the first films in Indian cinema that brought German expressionism into our cinema. Daira, totally forgotten. Here is the original artwork on which they were trying to create the publicity of Daira. And then obviously what made him famous, and his love and his relationship with Meena Kumari is Pakiza. And the legend of Pakiza and everything it stood for, इसको दिखाने के लिए आप कोई भी गाना ले लो और हमारे देश की जो आत्मा है, रिदम है, एनर्जी है, वो आपको immediately, because the song, more than the film, it is the Hindi film song which has
Exactly.
stood the test of time, connected generations.
बिल्कुल नेविल, पार्टीशन के बाद हमारा सिनेमा जिस तरीके से आगे बढ़ा, जो उसके अंदर चेंजेस आए, वो बहुत ज़रूरी इसलिए भी थे क्योंकि लोगों का जो एक परसेप्शन बन रहा था उस न्यू इंडिया को लेकर के आगे जा रहा था। हमारे सामने दुनिया के भी चैलेंजेस थे, खुद अपने घर के अंदर के भी चैलेंजेस थे। आप चाहे हम इंटर रिलीजन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स की बात कर लें या फिर दूसरे तमाम, उन सबको एक डायरेक्शन देना भी सिनेमा के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा काम था।
बिल्कुल।
और जो बाकायदा उस वक्त के फिल्म मेकर्स ने अच्छे से किया भी। What's your take on that?
देखिए, cinema was at war with India and politics at times.
Absolutely.
And it was in harmony at times. Nehru, Pandit Nehru, our first great Prime Minister, recognized the importance of cinema. 1955 में एक बड़ा सा seminar हुआ था in Sangeet Academy because cinema still had, and there was a plan on how cinema was to be taken forward. But the Janta was already changing. देखिए, politics खाली यही हिस्सा है उनका. They're one piece of the jigsaw. At the end of the day, cinema is the greatest creative endeavor where so many art forms come together. हमारे सिनेमा में you have to be entertainment, some try to be art, all have to take on box office, some have to deal with celebrity. ये exhibition का क्या मकसद है कि हम पहली बार make it a major fundamental part of education.
Exactly.
कि जो भी subject आपने पढ़ना हो, not just film studies या cultural studies, जो भी आपने पढ़ना हो, history हो, social anthropology, politics, economics, cinema has a major voice in that.
Exactly.
उसकी आवाज़, उसकी sensibility, उसका सोच आपको समझना चाहिए. You may not agree with it, you may not even appreciate it, but it's a fundamentally important, authentic voice. But let's come back to this exhibition.
Yes.
And here you see what I call Mughal-e-Azam.
Yeah.
हर बंदे में एक मुगल आजम बैठी हुई है. हर बंदे में वो जुनून, वो जिगर, वो stamina, that's what you need to make this. This man started thinking about it in 45.
Madness.
1960 में बना. 15 years, he went through every kind of hell. He didn't know much about cinema. He didn't know the people. He would argue with Bari Ghulam Ali Khan, with Naushad, with Prithviraj Kapoor, the father of Madhubala.
Absolutely.
But Jo Bana, he made the single greatest classic that India's known and maybe even in the world.
Unmatchable.
And वो जो ये देखिए, ये उसका ये सोच था. In 1945, the first cover where he hired to advertise on Film India. Film India was the top magazine at the time.
Yes.
He hired 10 covers. 10 covers over 15 years. कि मैं मुगल आजम बना रहा हूँ. मैं मुगल आजम बना रहा हूँ. And to advertise the film. That kind of junoon. Look, the younger generation have very little support. Very little nurtures them. Very little gives them the chance to, oh, Mughal Azam niklega ya nahi.
Exactly.
That is the responsibility of civilization as we grow.
Absolutely.
If we are making the same mistakes as 1960 and 1970, फायदा क्या हुआ फिर एजुकेशन का?
Absolutely.
तो उसको दिखाने के लिए ये जो एग्जीबिशन है, जो भी आए, आप पूछ लेना, you can ask anyone, उनकी एनर्जी लेवल बदल जाती है क्योंकि उनमें सोच आती है कि ग्रेट लर्निंग, great education is not about facts.
So at present, Neville, towards which direction are you seeing our cinema is heading towards?
Cinema's in
When
the
it comes to
doldrums,
social
obviously.
contribution,
Look.
nation building, you know, because it
That's-
is reflection of the society and we cannot deny it, you know, in any manner, in any era. So where do you see
Cinema
we are
has
heading towards?
radically changed. Cinema doesn't have that same role today. Cinema is television. You must understand. So it will obviously have a great impact. But for me, and the 30 years that one has worked, is to bring out the most important facet of cinema. Cinema as a critical educational resource. That whatever you want to understand about life, you must go through the prism of cinema. Cinema के जो सोच था, विजुअल्स था, एनर्जी थी, जो भी फिल्म हो, सबसे बकवास फिल्म या सबसे important film, every film had something to say. So from an educational point of view, it's like an archive. आप जब archive library बनाते हो, you don't want to discriminate too much to begin with. That is for others to do. First thing is सब कुछ दिखा दो दुनिया को. दुनिया को समझने दो कि हम 120 साल में क्या किया, क्या सोच था. Make it all freely available to everyone. Now you take something like this. This is a merchandising.
Imagine.
छोटी सी चीजें हैं, लेकिन क्या प्यार और innocence के साथ बनाओ. हमारे बिस्किट के टिन जो होते थे,
Yeah.
ये बीडी के advertisements from, you know, some Hema Malini and Dharminder used to advertise BD.
That's so
Everyone,
beautiful.
all
That's-
actors. ये देखो the Bobble Dawn of Dawn 2. ये देखो रेखा, हर स्टूडेंट में वो लगन है कि हम समझे दुनिया के and India का क्या रोल है. So it will happen, but the nature of the soft power that is being used by the power centers is not what succeeds. No country is able to do that. At the end of the day, it's the power of the people and their education level. The education of the people determines the soft power of a civilization. Not political parties maneuvering, which changes every 5 years.
Exactly.
They cannot keep a 30-year vision.
Absolutely.
When I started, I wrote out a 30-year plan. I gave it to my best friend. And yes, so many things have failed. So many things did not go according to plan. But for 30 years, I've kept on what I promised
And
myself.
consistency. I mean, having that consistency.
And through
that's
so much failure.
Something which is big
And-
thing.
And now, hopefully, on October, the world will see. It won't be fully ready, but एक बार हमारे लोगों में confidence आ जाए, वो जो प्यार है, the Indian still loves before they have any other thought. They still trust before they have any other thought.
Exactly.
They still will give you the benefit of the doubt. Very few countries in the world do that because we have this deep spiritual thing which, yes, we can see it's eroding, but cinema has strengthened that because the passion in cinema, जो जिगर के साथ लोगों ने, the families, I've just mentioned a few names, there are hundreds of others. They have given their everything. So
Exactly.
cinema has the rhythm of India.
Absolutely.
It has the energy of India.
Very
and
right.
that's the only thing that matters.
But-
The facts and figures don't matter.
Yes,
And
exactly.
that is why cinema will always have a great role across the world for many years to come.
Yes, exactly. So thank you so much, Neville, for this wonderful discussion and very eagerly waiting for October 2024. Thank you so very
Thank you,
much.
Peter. Thank you.